Guys, we are all set. Throughout it, I'm going to be dimming the lights. I'm running through two small, really nice little Sony. They're wide range, good frequency speakers. I'm not running through big boy here, although I did run through this big Kenwood speaker, and it sounded pretty good earlier when I was just doing initial testing before the fixes. So we got left and right channel hookup. We're going to listen to one of my favorite artists, Marcus Warner, with Out of Africa. You've heard his songs before. I'm going to be turning off the lights periodically and taking it from one side to the other and demonstrating some of the mono and stereo aspects to it. So let me shut up and get the show started. This is like a 2-watt amp, 1 or 2 watts. Mono. Imagine how blown away people were the first time they heard stereo like this. Listen to how clean the sound is. Coming out of a 1960 tube amplifier. Most people today have never even seen tube equipment. Thanks so much for watching, guys. The Trutest 5 stereo amplifier. A little beast, a beautiful little amplifier when it's made safe. Thumbs up are always appreciated.